By the end of this video, you're going to know about an AI automation builder that makes Claude CoWork look outdated. Because in just a few minutes, you could get set up with automations that can literally run your business for you or do your work for you. Because I'm talking about agents that can automate entire workflows that work for you 24/7 and then actually improve themselves over time without you doing anything. So let's dive into exactly what this tool is and how you could begin using it. Now, that new tool that I'm talking about is going to be Twin, because Twin makes it incredibly easy for you to be able to automate anything that you want in plain English. This tool is absolutely insane. For example, I've got a bunch of different agents already set up. One of them is helping me optimize the conversion rate on my website. Another one is helping me actually go through and find what kind of posts I should be uploading. I have another one that's brainstorming what new features I should add into my content. And I have another one that's actually checking one of my competitors all the time and scanning them. And we can see right here that we could very easily search through all the agents we've created. We could schedule them out. We could get them set up on a webhook, or we could get them set up manually. And setting up an agent is literally as simple as you coming over to a new chat right here and you telling this exactly what you want this to do. And the craziest part about this is, one, it doesn't require you set up any APIs. Two, these agents are self-healing and self-improving over time, so they keep getting cheaper and cheaper and not more expensive. Doesn't require any coding for you to get set up. And these agents can run based on triggers, based on schedules, based on webhooks, and they require no human supervision. For example, automating something is literally as simple as you coming over and doing this. So my fiance wants me to look at a new home that we could potentially buy in Charlotte, and we can see right here that I'm going to have this go through and actually begin to do this for me so that I don't have to personally do it. For example, can you go through and find me homes in Charlotte located in the zip code from Zillow that are between million to 1.2 million? I want you to add them into a Google Sheet and enrich them with details that I'd need to access if I want the home. The details that I would use to assess whether or not I want the home. For example, house size, bedrooms, bathrooms, lot size, pool, waterfront, etc., etc. Then we could just come over here and we could tell it this. And now this is literally going to go through and set this up and do everything that it needs to do. It's going to start by gathering context about our workspace and available tools. It's then going to go through and actually build out the agent that goes ahead and does this. And what I'm actually going to do is I'm going to set this up so that it will send it to my fiance every day so that I don't have to manually do this. So this goes through, it asks me a question about what zip code in Charlotte we actually want to search for. So I went through and gave it the zip code. Now this is going to go through and this is actually going to begin to do this. And we can see that this is actually going to go through and use a Zillow scraper in order to do it. So I'm going to say, let's go through and let's begin building this out. And this is going to go ahead and do this. And this will literally connect to whatever tools you want it to connect to. And you could have this automate so many different tasks, which is insane. So we could see that this is now getting built right here. Step number one is it's going to connect to a Zillow scraper for that zip code. Step number two is it's going to pull the listings between that price. Step number three, it's going to enrich the property. And then step number four, it's going to organize everything into a Google Sheet. And then if we wanted to, we could actually go through and watch us do this entire process. Now, while that goes off and does that, before I show you the results, I wanted to show you this too. If you go to twin.so/discover right here, you could actually go through and discover a bunch of different agents that were built and shared by the Twin community so that you could get inspired and you could actually clone them, which is pretty awesome. For example, let's say that we wanted to find one that does something. For example, scrape. We could type in scrape and this will actually filter through all of the different things that are actually built out that are going to be able to do this, which is pretty awesome, which I absolutely love. For example, we have this one right here, create AI avatar product videos from Amazon listings. We could actually click on this and we would be able to actually get this built out right here. And the other thing that's actually pretty cool here is this goes through and actually breaks everything out based on these workspaces. For example, this is my first real estate one that I'm doing. So we could see that it's actually classified it under real estate. Okay, so now we can see that this is actually done. If we click on this right here, this brings us over to this Google Sheet right here where this is now actively going to be updated and we could set this up however we want. And this is awesome how this gives me literally all of this information right now. In fact, it added in a bunch of stuff that I didn't even think that I would actually need, which is what makes this tool so good, because not only can it automate things like this, it's incredibly intuitive and actually makes them better than the way that you describe them. Now, that was just the first thing I wanted to get this to do. The next thing I want to get this to do is right here. So I want this to create a daily automated lead finder for UGC creator collaboration opportunities with travel and lifestyle brands. So what this is going to do is this is going to search for hotels, boutique stays, restaurants, travel brands, actively seeking influencer partnerships. We have our schedule right here. This is going to go through this workflow right here. We could see this is pretty comprehensive. And the output that it's actually going to do is give us an email report that gives us the leads with all the columns problems, the application URL, personalized outreach email draft for each brand, and quick actions that we can actually do to go ahead and apply. What I'm going to do is I'm going to click send on this. Those of you that don't know, I run an influencer agency where we try to find brand deals for a list of different creators that work with me. And now I could literally have AI actually go through and do this. In the past, I needed an entire team in order to actually do this. And really what I'm trying to show you right here is how diversified this tool is, because it connects to whatever tools it needs to use, and it can handle so many different things cross-platform, and it's absolutely insane. So this goes through. Let's go ahead and actually build this. I'm going to say 1, and this is now going to go and build this out. Okay, so now that this is actually done, we can see exactly what this looks like. And again, we could get this built out for all of these different niches. So we could see if this was just generated today. We have the total leads, 8 of them for hotel and resorts, 5 of them for platform and agencies, and then 3 of them for tours and experiences. Now we could actually go through, we could see the company, the website, the location, the service type. We could see the contact right here, which is pretty cool. And this gives us all of the information that we actually need right here, which is awesome. And look at this. It even went through, literally gives us the link to all this, gives us an apply now button, gives us a visit website, and even went through and built out exactly what we should send for each of these, which is incredible. This literally just automated an entire process in my business. Now, before I walk you through a bunch of other use cases that you could automate using Twin, I wanted to remind you that you could go to the pinned comment below and get started with it today. Because once you start using this tool, you're going to be mind blown at how easy it is to connect all these different tools that you're currently using and the processes that you're currently doing manually and begin to automate them with plain English. Now, the next use case I wanted to show you right here is actually how somebody went through and automated their coaching of their fitness clients via a Telegram bot. And we could see that this is actually run right here. So if we click on try this agent for free right here, this is actually going to go through and show us exactly what this is. So we can see right here that this created a lifestyle coaching bot via Telegram. It has comprehensive fitness, nutrition, wellness guidance, and a casual, friendly dialect, and it communicates like a friend. This goes through the actual infrastructure right here. This goes through all the different tools that this is going to use, and then the communication style and the workflow right here. And this has actually gone through and been set up and has been run before. So what you could actually do is you could set up your own coaching via Twin right here. And this is insane because it doesn't only have to be for fitness coaching. It could be for any type of coaching that you could think of. Or if you wanted to, they have another one that allows you to auto reply to new Gmail emails intelligently. If we click on try this agent for free, this is actually something that I want to set up right here. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to come over here. I am going to grab this right here. I'm going to come back over to Twin. I'm going to come over to new chat, and we're going to put this in here, and we're going to customize this a little bit, which is why I copy and pasted it. So if we come over here, I want to create an automated Gmail autoresponder that responds to unread emails in inbox and spam. I'm just going to have it reply to my inbox, generates polite, autonomous 3 to 5 sentences, sends responses, and logs processes right here. So we can see the actual workflow right here that this is going to go through. This looks great. The only thing that I'm going to get rid of is I'm going to come over here and I'm going to get rid of spam again because I don't want it to go through my spam. And now we could click on setup right here, and this is actually going to begin the process of setting up this responder right here that's going to automatically reply to our emails in an intelligent, friendly manner. Now, when we check back in on this email automation tool right here, this is pretty insane that this was able to do this. This actually went through 100 of my emails, and it's been able to actually classify them by different categories, different counts, different examples, and it says that it actually didn't have anything to reply to because the last 100 emails that I got mainly were going to be promotions, marketing, notifications, outreach, and weren't any customer support emails. The reason that I show you this is just to show you how smart this tool actually is. It knows whether or not a human sent you something and it's a real customer support request, or if it was just a bunch of product notifications so that it's not replying to those and wasting your time. Now, this last agent that I wanted to build here is actually going to be a multi-agent system right here. So this is a very, very long prompt. We could see right here that essentially what this is going to do is build an autonomous multi-agent system designed to identify, analyze, and convert real estate wholesale opportunities. So this is going to go through, and we have several different agents that are actually going to be used right here. So I want to show you these. Agent 1 is going to be market intake. Its goal is to source new listings and then add them to a Google Sheet. Agent 2 is going to be to the distress filter. Its goal is to score new leads for distress and then move them to the next stage right here. Agent 3 is going to be the ARV estimation. So this is going to go through and it's going to estimate the after repair value for each filtered lead. The next agent that we have right here is going to be lead qualification. The next agent that we have right here is going to be skip tracing. So it's actually going to find the contact information for all the different qualified leads. Final one is going to be lead outreach right here. So we're going to give this to Twin right here, and it's incredible how it's able to take this prompt right here, ask us a few questions, and actually go through and build this multi-step agent system. Now, I know that you might not be doing wholesale with real estate, but I'm doing this to show off to you how advanced you can actually get with this, because this right here is building a multi-step pipeline in order to actually build this out. Now we can see here that what Twin's actually doing is this is going through building these agents out one by one, and then it's going to be able to orchestrate all of them at once. So we can see agent 1 right here is going to be the on-market intake. It has gone through and actually gotten built out right here. The next thing is it actually gave us a goal for agent 2, and now agent 2 is going through and getting built out right here. And it's taking the input from agent 1 in order to actually process it in agent 2. What's pretty insane to me is that this actually figured out that it had to actually batch do this because there's 236 different leads that agent 1 actually got. And now look at this. We now have 4 of the 6 agents built, and we could see that under real estate wholesale right here, which is going to be our workspace, we have each of these different agents and they can all work together. Okay, so now at this point, this is pretty much almost done. This is just going through and this is actually finding their information, and then it's going to reach out to them and email them, but I want to show you what we have here. So we have this on-market intake right here. We could see the entire workflow that this goes through. Again, this set up all these APIs and integrations itself. Then we have this distress filter right here. This is the workflow that this is going to go through. We have an ARV estimation right here. Again, going through this workflow. We have this lead verification right here that goes through and does this. Now it's skip tracing, and then it's going to go through and actually reach out to them. But if we come over here and we actually click on this sheet, we could see this right here. We have all the addresses, the cities, the states, the zip code, the asking price. We have all the information that we need right here. In addition to that, we have the status of whether or not it's been filtered. We have the distress score. This goes through and actually goes through and gives us a reasoning for all of this. We have the ARV. We have the ARV method, and this goes through and gives us literally everything that we need for us to be able to process this. In the past, this probably would have taken like weeks or been an all-day job to be able to do this, but now Twin literally built this out in just a few minutes so that we could always automate this process. Now, if you enjoyed this video, I would strongly suggest you check out this video right here that walks you through 5 other use cases that I personally love using Twin for. If that sounds interesting, I'll see you over there.